What's up, y'all? It's Maddie
and Taylor.
Today we're gonna be playing a special slime game.
And now I'm gonna do it on my. Hi guys, it's Taylor and
Maddie.
Today we're gonna be playing slime games. So if you're not subscribe already.
Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up.
We're both broadcasting this video.
And hit the notification bell.
Every week we post 2 videos every week. Each week.
Red velvet slime. Oh, that ain't gonna work either. Yeah.
So
our next video will be a Roblox video.
Yeah, and every Saturday we go live. Right, Maddie? You guys will be able to look at us and stuff. Because you don't like show my faces like that, right?
Well, we might do it on some of our videos.
Yeah, sometimes, not all the time.
I'm gonna make another one. Or I might go play one of my other ones that I like. No, I hate commercials.
Look at this jelly slime.
Look, I have a commercial. No.
We can't have it here. So if you guys don't know, we're on an iPod and a phone broadcasting.
I have an iPhone X.
Our computer's died.
We would show faces. We can't find an app that we can show our face.
Yes, you don't know this. This is our first YouTube channel.
Yep.
Videos. That's so satisfying. Guess I'm down with this game, just typing slime game.
You know, might be the first or second one.
Yep.
I want to put jelly cubes in it.
I'm gonna go to the home and I'm gonna make my own.
More jelly cubes in here. Butter. Ew.
Bunny inspired us.
Yoon. He loved them.
We watch their videos every time.
Yeah, they're like our favorite YouTube channel.
And I'll leave them down in the description.
But we still love your guys' YouTube channel. These are all the slimes I made. Not these. I had to buy those. But I made all these ones. And my favorite is my alligator slime. Look.
Okay. I don't know.
That's how much coins I have.
I'm gonna make my slime called roll. Oh no. Oh, I spelled it wrong. And I changed my keyboard again.
Look at my alligator slime.
Oh yeah, Maddie created her alligator slime a couple days ago.
And I like it. It's my favorite one. Okay, let me show you her favorite one out of mine. Oopsie, I went to making slime. Let me go to quick.
My favorite's the mermaid.
Yeah, she likes this one.
Go check out Maddie's YouTube channel so you'll see the
It's at Madison and Max, 'cause that's my dog's name. Dot how come? That's my YouTube channel. Let me repeat that. At dot Madison and Max dot how come. That's my YouTube channel. So go check that out and subscribe, and I will subscribe to your guys' YouTube channel, even though I do almost every single day.
It's been 5 minutes. So if you guys want to become YouTube gaming famous,
And just to let you guys know, we are in the crew at Roblox. So if you want to just go to somebody's name in the crew and just press join, and you can join the crew.
Yep. You will leave it down in the comments where it's funny, Draco,
Gold.
Rainbow, and Gold.
Golden player.
What?
I know, I'm laughing really weird today. Okay, I'm done with you, mermaid. I want my alligator back. Okay.
I'm gonna make my son.
And by the way, my brother likes Draco because he's really funny.
Mm-hmm.
You get it? Funny. That was my slime.
Oh. I'm just gonna add a random thing.
I'm gonna go make one now. This one will be another jelly cube slime.
Random blue. I feel like there's storm sitting there. Random blue.
Yeah!
I told you guys next video I'll be with Maddie and this in the video.
Yep.
Yeah. I remember one time I was like a couple of days ago I took the video without you in it.
Hey!
Because you weren't here.
Skip. That was probably at my dad's. Yeah, I don't like this one still. Why did I play with my...
So do you think we should end the video up here?